If you're new to pickleball, choosing the right paddle can be daunting. But don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll recommend 6 of the best pickleball paddles for beginners. We'll also explain why each one is a good choice for those just starting.
If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Number 1. Neopipo Pickleball Paddles. The Neopipo Pickleball paddles use the latest technology to improve the quality. It is a sapper, meaning, you can use it in tournament. It is the perfect combination of the graphite honeycomb core and graphite carbon fiber surface.
That's why it is lightweight and increases the energy to spin the ball and withstands the impact of ball. The handle provides you with comfortable grip and precise maneuverability. These paddles are perfect for beginners. Number 2. Onyx Graphite Z5 Graphite Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. It's the most popular pickleball paddle in the Onyx line. The unit has excellent touch paddle for superior ball control. Nomex, paper honeycomb core and graphite face. Paddle shape with 4-1/4 grip size. A flared, wood handle. And it's perfect for beginner through advanced level players. Number 3. Udique Pickleball Paddles. It's USA Pickleball approved. It comes with rough texture graphite surface for spin and cushioned perforated contour grip against slipperiness. The paddles are lightweight, well balanced, and textured for excellent spin. It's designed in a spiral contour for precision grip and maneuverability. Durable low-profile edge guard and specialized bottom design to prevent damage on ground impact. Great craftsmanship and design. Polypropylene honeycomb core. It's great for larger sweet spot for beginners and intermediate users. Number 4. GRM by Gonex Pickleball Paddles. USAPA approved pickleball paddle sets. They are made of durable graphite face. The circumference of this racket is 4.3. Length is 4.5. The fine protrusions of the anti-slip strips enable precise grip and maneuverability. This set includes 2 paddles, 2 outdoor balls, 2 indoor balls and 1 carry bag. They are suitable for beginners, intermediate to top senior leader professional players. Number 5. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. It features fiberglass hitting surface that offers excellent feel and ample power for the competitive player. A polypropylene honeycomb core is paired with a new ergo grip for the perfect touch. Every time with minimal vibration. Thickness, 13.0 mm or 1/2 in. Weight, 230 grams or 8.1 ounces. Length, 408 mm or 16 inches. Width, 199 mm. Grip size, 107 mm or 4.25 inches. Lightweight design. This is perfect for the mid-level club pickleball player. Number 6. Selkirk Amped Pickleball Paddle. It is made of the finest materials and proprietary, leading-edge technology. The amped paddle combines a state-of-the-art FiberFlex fiberglass face with a thicker polypropylene X5 core providing optimal ball cushioning. It has great balance with its longer handle that makes for great two-handed swings.